Hi everyone. This time I'm going to show you how to create uh, design the RESTful API with the Swagger editor. First, we uh, we're going to use the Swagger editor to create a YAML file, and this is a YAML file, and on the left side and right side it visualize the YAML file. So when you edit, it's visualized on the right side. You see the result. This is the Swagger version 2.0, and for example, we want to create uh, the best RESTful API, and we going to have pass with the path, um, the the methods import, that you need to add a new path. Yeah, the summary and consumer with the media tab, which is JSON and its ML format, and producing produces is the same XML JSON format parameter, and you have the decryption required to body, as you see here. The body required is it the part we need the body, and schema. Then you have the reference to the definition. The schema def is here. This is the best schema. So where is the best schema? So you just scroll down at the bottom and you see that the best definition schema here, the path object, that we use the YAML format to describe the path object, like the object oriented in Java. That's we have the we describe the tab, the property, and we have the property, and the tab integer format, and category with the like the object member is the category. That's with reference to the category object, and the field name, the field and the field photo URLs. With tab is array, and we're going to describe with the XML photo URL, and the task is the field with the tab of arrays and status here. Yeah, then we get back come back to this YAML file when at when we want to add the path with post method, and so we may want to describe the response. So the content tab is here. It means the produces JSON is or XML, and you can see here XML JSON, and the response the code, and we want to describe when the body is invalid. So the REST API will respond the code 405. Then we can describe here respond 405 description invalid input, and security blah blah blah, and the put. That's it. So from this YAML file, we can generate the server and the client. There's with any language. For example, So you may want to generate the server with string. Here, let's check it out. So let me open it. Let me open it. No. Looking for a form file. String server. Wait a minute. So you can see that this shortcode uh, is generated by a tool called Swagger generator. So wait a minute for it's loading the form file. And you can see the form file with default string boot tomcat. Okay, just wait a minute. And then you may want to generate a client. You can choose any language like Go language, Ruby, Java, TypeScript, Node, this Aurelia, Angular, JS. You can to this way to generate the client, but I prefer to use the another client generator, which is more the code will be more cleaner. That I suggest. This is um, the node ng swagger gen. So you can create the new page store. Wait a minute. New page store install the ng swagger gen and use it to uh, generate the client source code from the swagger JSON. It's here. cd page store. So get ng page store. Let me install the ng swagger generator. it takes so long. Here it is. So finally the source code are reloaded. I don't know why, but anyway, we have the source code for the server side generator. You see the model. As you can see, that it's generate out the pad API controller, add pad. You can see that add pad is operation ID. It's operation ID. You can check here. Here, you see operation ID. ID. Then you can check the add path here, nickname as path, the summary, description, authorizations call, scope, request mapping, produce, consumer, third party, and you have the class to implement the pet API. So the default is not implemented. So we have the RESTful server called template quickly. Add pad, delete pad. Quickly, yeah. So it's very productive for developers and architects. So we switch to the client generator. It's done. So what's next? We're going to run the command line to generate the source code, the client source code. By the way, you can check. You may want to take a look at this JSON file. What problem? JSON. What? Oh, there's no format. So let's see. Any online tool. Beautiful code. And you can see the API description here. schema path. You can see that add path, file path, blah 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 here. Add a new path. You can describe this as the YAML file or JSON file. It's okay. Okay, it's done. So let's check it out. Best store. Here, this is the best store. This is the so-called generated, and this is the model generated for the REST client. Yeah, very clean, best practice. And it's the best service. Yeah, beautiful code. Retain the base service. Read only the path. The add path response. You see the command. Path. Path says that needs to be added to the store is the command. Add path here. Path object that needed to be added to the store. Here then return the command. Right here the body. As you see, add path response with command post method. And the root that you can change. Root URL that you can change. The header parameter response type. Yeah, it's this very client, RESTful client, clean shortcut, very clean. And you have the store service. Delete order. So I think with this approach, we'll have our developers and architects was very productive. So you can do nothing with the frost use principle that's called the cry principle, which the firstly static in the grammatic programming book a long time ago. That's the cry we do. That's the steps that do not repeat yourself. Uh, that you can have a lot of steps that you can repeat over and over again. You can create the tool to generate the code instead of rewrite the workflow. What you think that's just some of the abstract words is identical. It's not different. So you need to repeat What's this? Right. Is this right? Yeah, I think this was Andrew Hunter. Enterprise Principle. Let's check it out. This book. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.